All right, take a look at this picture. We have theta here. It goes from this line, that's 0, all the way up to this, which is a little bit beyond 90 degrees. Okay, we have a question here. Use the image to determine which two of the following expressions are the opposite of tan theta. All right, so we need to figure out what the opposite means in this context and what tan theta means in this context, especially since we've been asked to use the picture for this. So on the unit circle, when you have a line like this, sine of theta is equal to the x-coordinate of this point. Sine is the y. Cosine is the x-coordinate, so it would be this distance here. Sine would be that height there. And then the tangent is the slope of this line. That's what tangent theta represents on the unit circle. Okay, so we have a bunch of different options here. Let's go through them. There's a walkthrough, by the way. It's a full walkthrough here. If you just go below and click the walkthrough, it's going to show you a detailed explanation of everything. I'm just doing a short one, though, for social media. So, yeah, so we already talked about tan theta being the opposite. Now, what does the opposite mean, though, in this context? What is the opposite slope? What does that mean? So what that means is it's the same steepness, but it's just opposite sign. So that's what the language means here. And the language and notation in mathematics is like 80% of the job, maybe 90%. If you understand or took the time to understand all the notation and what they meant specifically by all the words, you're 80% of the way there. So we're looking for lines or angles that end up, their ray will end up here or here. Anywhere on this line will give us a slope that's opposite. So let's go through. Let's start with this. Tan of pi plus theta. All right, so this is theta here, right? Tangent of pi, so it would be the slope of the line that goes all the way here. It's pi plus theta. So then theta is more than 90 degrees. Remember, theta is more than 90 degrees. So if we do pi, which is 180, then plus theta, we're going to end up here, like in this quadrant here. There's no way that's going to be the answer because we need it to end up either there or there. So something in the fourth quadrant is not an option, so we can rule that one out for sure right away. Okay, the next one, tangent of pi over 2, that's 90 degrees, minus theta. Okay, so let's go to pi over 2, which is here, and then minus theta, so minus something like that. That's going to be about there. That's not what we're looking for either. It's for sure in the fourth quadrant, so that one's out as well. So by process of elimination, we know it's the next two, but let's just go through them quickly. Tangent of 2 pi minus theta. So tangent of 2 pi is full rotation, and then minus theta. So that's minus 90 and then a little